Before we learned to walk, she carried us. Before we learned to speak, she understood our silence. And before the world knew our name, our mother whispered it with love. But have you ever wondered how Mother's Day began and why the entire world celebrates mothers with so much emotions? The roots of Mother's Day go back thousands of years. In ancient Greece, people honored Rhea, the mother of gods. The Romans celebrated a festival called Hilaria to worship mother goddesses. But the modern Mother's Day began in the United States. A woman named Anna Jarvis wanted to honor her mother after her death in 1905. Her mother had spent her life caring for families and helping society. Anna started a movement so that every mother's sacrifice could be recognized. And finally, in 1914, US President Woodrow Wilson officially declared the second Sunday of May as Mother's Day. A mother is not just a parent, she is the first teacher, the first friend, and often the strongest protector. Mother's Day is not about expensive gifts. It is about gratitude. It is about saying thank you for every sleepless night, every silent prayer, and every sacrifice. Because behind almost every successful person, there is a mother who never gave up. Different countries celebrate Mother's Day in different ways. In India, children often give flowers, handmade cards, and spend quality time with their mothers. In Japan, red carnations symbolize purity and love. In Thailand, Mother's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Queen Sirikit. But no matter the culture or language, a mother's love feels the same everywhere. Sometimes we become so busy in life that we forget to appreciate the person who gave us life. So, this Mother's Day, hug your mother a little tighter, call her if she is far away, and if she is no longer with you, remember her with love and gratitude because a mother's love never truly leaves us. If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meaningful stories and historical insights. And comment below what is the most beautiful thing your mother has ever done for you. Happy Mother's Day.